See, watch these chocolate girls be out here rocking this. Oh, oh my gosh. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel, Autumn Leaf Beauty. And if you're new here, welcome. But remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Autumn Leaf Beauty. Also visit my website, www.autumnleafbeauty.com. When you make your first purchase, you get 10% off when you use code FIRST. But let's get into this video. So as you can see from the title, this video is about a wig installment. So the first thing I did was glue down my cap, the stocking cap, down with Got2b glue. We do not use Gorilla Glue over here. I blow dried it so the glue can dry quicker. I also put some foundation on there so the cap can match my skin tone. But yes, this is the wig. I absolutely love it. I got it from the hair supply store for $27. When I saw this wig, I fell deeply in love with it. I was like, this is different. I want to try something different. So I got this wig. It's super soft. It did come in an angle. I did cut it a little bit so it can have that blunt look that I was looking for. And yes, I am definitely loving this wig. I can't wait to put it on so I can show you guys how it looks. Now, the wig is a middle part wig. It has combs all throughout the wig, and it did come with already cut baby hairs. Now it's time to put this bad boy on. Okay, I see you, sis. I'm definitely loving this wig. I'm loving the color. I'm just trying to adjust it to fit my head properly. Now I'm just playing with the wig a little bit, making sure everything is even, making sure I cut it right. Yes, honey. I see you. Now make sure you adjust your wig before you cut the lace. Now I am combing the hair back and pinning it back so I can get ready to apply the Got2b glue. Now it's time to apply the Got2b glue. As you can see, I am moving my wig back so I can apply it on the wig cap and just a little bit on my forehead. And as I'm spraying, I'm also using my finger to spread that out. Now that I have the Got2b glue on, I did apply just a little bit of heat off camera, and now I am pulling my wig back to the front so I can attach the wig onto my head, and I am putting a scarf on top so it can lay down. So now the wig is glued down and I'm getting ready to cut the lace, and now I'm pulling back the baby hair so I do not cut that. And you will see the technique that I use to cut the lace. I do not cut the lace going in a straight line. I cut it like in a zigzag motion. Now I'm just applying some gel onto my baby hairs and onto the sideburns that I cut. I just cut a little bit of hair so I can make some sideburns, and just applying some gel onto that. Now I'm just putting on my scarf so I can lay my baby hairs down while I do my makeup. Now it's time for me to beat that face. So off camera, yes, I did do one eye off camera. I'm using my very own palette, Brilliant Scarlet, from Autumnleaf Beauty Collection. Yes, if you don't have it, get it now, honey. Now, the colors that I'm using for this look is a light brown and my dark brown and like a shimmery for that crease. Now I am blending that good old eyeshadow from Autumnleaf Beauty. Now I'm just applying some concealer underneath my eye, and that concealer is from Juvia's Place. Yes, to the lashes, girl. Those lashes is from my very own collection, Autumnleaf Beauty. Oh my gosh, I'm loving them.
It was at this moment when she knew she effed up.
So I just realized my mic wasn't on, so now I have to do a voiceover with this entire video. Which I don't mind, but man, now I'm just taking off my powder. I'm a little pissed. Yeah, but I'm good. I don't mind doing a voiceover. You guys, I'm loving this. I'm definitely loving my new wig. Like, what? Girls, get with it. Synthetic blonde wig. This was definitely risky, but I'm so glad I did this because I look amazing with this on. I look amazing with it. Like, I beat my face. I think I did a pretty good job. I need to just fix my lace, cut off some more of the lace. But yeah, overall, I need to come up with a new name, girl. I am definitely feeling myself. Let me stop. But no, oh my gosh, I'm loving this. This is the final look. So, if you like this video, if you like this wig, give this video a thumbs up because, girl, I am feeling myself right now. I look like a whole snack. I look like a whole Snicker bar. But yes, if you like this video and this look, give this video a thumbs up. Remember to spread the word, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Autumn Leaf Beauty. And man, I can't I'm speechless. Yes, girl. Can I get a little photo shoot? I'm photo shoot ready. But no. And I'm being serious. Remember to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, Autumnleaf Beauty. Share this video, give this video a thumbs up. Tell me what you think about my look and also how you think about my wig. Again, I am definitely feeling myself right now. Tell me, and also tell me what you do different when you put your wigs on, install your wigs. And also visit my website at www.autumnleafbeauty.com. And also, when you make your first purchase, you get 10% off when you use code FIRST. So hurry up and get your products. This right here is the lashes, the lashes, the eyeshadow, and the lip is all Autumnleaf Beauty. Get with it, y'all. Get with it. I love it. Well, I'll see y'all next video.